Hello, and welcome to my game. This is a game that I created with the initial intent of using the vehicles, the blue vehicle that you see on the side, as the player. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to successfully code that or find out how to code it. I kept on running into an issue to where the objects of the player would fall through the terrain. I checked multiple things, but it just kept on falling through, so I resorted to using the ball again. But you see these objective of the game is to pick up all these cones that are on the map, on the street, you can say, while avoiding the caution signs that you see in front of me in the white. Once you pick up all the cones in the game, that is when you are victorious, as you will see in a bit. Well, once again, I do apologize that I was not able to do the card successfully, but this is my game. Thank you very much.